We're going to use a process known as keep, change, flip to divide these fractions. That means we keep the first fraction as it is, we change the divide sign to a times, and we flip the second fraction. That means in practice we end up with 4/5 times by 3/2. Now we can multiply these fractions. 4 times 3 makes 12, 5 times 2 makes 10. That's a correct answer, but it's as an improper fraction. So we would usually change this to a mixed number. 10 goes into 12 once, remainder 2. That becomes the numerator and the denominator stays the same. 2/10 is a fraction that can be simplified, so we would do that to make 1 and 1/5. We can use keep, change, flip with fractions that are mixed numbers, but first we need to change the mixed numbers to improper fractions. So in this question, 2 1/4 changes to 9/4 divided by 8/5. We're now ready to do keep, change, flip. We keep the first fraction, we change the divide to a times, and we flip the second fraction. So that becomes 5/8. Now we multiply. 9 5s are 45, 4 8s are 32. Again, we can see we've got an improper fraction. So to convert it back to a mixed number, 32 goes into 45 once. The remainder is 13, and the denominator stays the same. 13 30-seconds is in its simplest form, so our final answer is 1 and 13 30-seconds. Keep, change, flip also works when whole numbers are involved. First thing we have to do is convert the whole numbers into fractions. So 3 divided by 2/3 means 3 whole ones. So that's 3/1 divided by 2/3. Now we can do keep, change, flip. We keep 3/1, change the divide to a times, and flip the second fraction. 3 times 3 makes 9, 1 times 2 is 2. Again, we've got an improper fraction, so to convert that to a mixed number, 2 goes into 9 4 times, remainder 1, and again, half is in its simplest form, so our final answer is 4.5. Keep, change, flip also works when we're dividing by whole numbers if we first make that whole number into a fraction. So here we've got 3/8 divided by 4/1. Now we can keep, change, flip, so we've got 3/8 times by 1/4. 3 times 1 is 3, 8 times 4 is 32. This time we don't end up with an improper fraction, but we must check to see whether we can simplify it. And there's no way we can simplify 3 30-seconds, it's already in its simplest form, so this is our final answer.